Hello friends, welcome to the Code Generator. Myself Nandini, and today we are going to talk about comments and operators in Java. So, a small topic but very interesting and very important in Java for the coding. So, let's begin. First, we will start with comments in Java. So, comments can be used to explain Java code and to make it more readable. It can also be used to prevent execution when testing alternative code. Single line comments start with two forward slashes. Any text between slashes and the end of the line is ignored by Java, will not be executed. This example uses a single line comment before a line of code. For example, if I would like to say this is a comment and I have written two forward slashes before that. So this line is not going to be executed. Now, next one is multiline comments in Java. Multiline comment starts with slash, star and ends with star slash. Any text between slash star and star slash will be ignored by Java. This example uses a multiline comment, a comment block. To explain the code, we can start with slash star and the data what we want to comment and ends with star slash. So this line is not going to be executed. Okay, okay, I'll just comment it out because I've already done it for you. For example, I don't want to print this. I'll just put double slash. That means this line is not going to be executed. And other one. These are the two lines which I don't want to execute because as you can see, text, minum, these are the variables which I have used in last video. But right now in this program, these variables are not available. That means, however, we are going to get error because of this. So I just want to comment these lines. So what I will do for a multi-line comment, slash star, and I want to end this here. So I'll put star slash, and that's it. So if you want to see output of this, just let's run it. So as you can see, it's printed only 7. That is the output of this line. Okay. Operators. Operators are special symbols that perform specific operations on one, two, or three operands and then return a result. Operators with one operand are called unary operators. Then operators with two operands are called binary operators, and operators with three operands are called ternary operators. So here plus is an operator and 150 are the operands. So let's move next. Java divides the operators into the following groups. First is arithmetic operators, then assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators. So let's see all these operators in detail. First is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, and decrement. These are the operators which we can use under arithmetic operators. Then next is assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. So, for example, I want to write addition operator or I want to perform addition operator. So what it will do? Actually, there are two ways. I'll teach you one by one. First is int b is equals to 3 plus 3. And if I'll print b, just save it and let's run it. Oh, I just missed this. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Like that, you can do multiplication, division, and everything. Control X and just run it. I didn't saved, that's why it asked me. So 3 into 3 is 9. Another way. Here in the same variable we have done the operation. We have done the program. Another way, we can assign values like b1 is equal to 9, or we'll take a small number. Then another is b2 is equal to 3. And now I want to print both the values. So let's do it. Plus, as I have taught you in the last video, I'll just want to write in another variable that can be C or it can be anything. We'll do it 4 into 3. And I want to print this. Let's save it and let's run it. So it will be 9. 9 is 3 into 3 is 9. After that, 4 into 3 is 12. So these are the operators. We can see like this. And after that, for example, B2 is equals to 3. Now assignment operators. B2 is equals to 3. These are the assignment operators. Okay. And another thing, if I would like to change into plus. That is B1 plus is equal to, this will be, B1 will be 4. It is already given. And another thing I am assigning that B is greater than 3. So what it means? It means B is equals to B plus 3. Okay. And here B is 9. So 9 plus 3 will be 12. So just let's print it. Just do control save. And let's run it. So it will be 12 as I said. So these are the assignment operators. So like this you can do, or you can perform all the operators with second one and the first one. And likewise you can perform all the operators as it is given in the table. Next is comparison operators. Comparison operators used to compare two values. Like double equal to, that means equal to. Not equal to, then greater than sign, less than sign, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. All these operators are mostly used in loops or wherever we want to perform a logic or wherever we want to write a method to create new calculations. So we are going to use all these operators in our further videos when I'm going to teach if and else loop and many more things. Next is logical operators. Logical operators are used to determine the logic between variables or the values. The first one, logical and. Logical and returns true if both statements are true. For example, we initialize x as 2 and we have given condition x is less than 5 and x is less than 10. So obviously as we initialized x as 2, so it is true, it will give an output. Second one is logical OR. Returns if one of the statements is true. That means if we have given two conditions and any one of the statement is true, it will going to give this result as true. The third one is logical NOT. Reverse the result, returns the false if the result is true. What it will do? It will reverse the result. And after that, returns the false if the result is true. So all these things we are going to see in further videos. So don't worry about it. We'll do practical and further videos. The next is bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used to perform binary logic with the bits of an integer or long integer. So these are the bitwise operators. The first one is and sets each bit to 1 if both bits are 1. For example, 5 and 1. It will same as 0101 and 0001. Result will be 001. That is 001 will be the 1 in decimal. Second is OR. Sets each bit to 1 if any of the two bits is 1. Third one is NOT. Invert all the bits. What it will do? It will just do reverse. In the example, it was negation of 5. That is same as negation of 0101. It's just reverse the numbers and it will be 1010, and that is 10 in decimal. XOR. XOR sets each bit to 1 if and only one of the two bits is 1. Zero fill left shift. Shift left by pushing zeros in from the right and letting the leftmost bits fall off. Then, signed right shift. Shift right by pushing copies of all leftmost bit in the from left and letting the rightmost bits fall off. The last one, zero fill right shift. Shifts right by pushing zeros in from the left and letting the rightmost bits fall off. So these were the all operators, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can find me at code generator 1115 on the Instagram, or otherwise you can drop a mail on pythoncode1115@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and see you in the next video.